May be able to contribute something of the spirit of the peoples of the North American continent who have gotten along in their relations with each other.
And the world's first Sperry-stabilized passenger ship approaching New York Harbor on her maiden voyage. Streamline in hull and superstructure from stem to stern, her clipper bow, elliptical funnels, rakish mass.
New York Harbor. The city's seen many new ships, but this Dutch treat is something to blow about.
The channel is narrow for her 39-foot draft, and she must be turned, her bow pointing seaward, a maneuver which takes no more than 15 minutes. Her sirens say farewell to Southampton for another 2 weeks. Sirens which, incidentally, can be heard 10 miles away. Smoothly and without any fuss, the largest luxury liner in the world has...
The excitement of the beginning of the big voyage. The noisy farewells, the streamers, the feverish activity of the ship's crew as the last piece of baggage and cargo are hauled aboard. And for the new passengers, the slight amazement at actually being away at last.
got the picture.
Now it's become
$16
very-
a night. Right on the corner.
But
with
it's become
a,
very
a
commercial.
mountain in front of us. So what? So it was $16 then? It would be
Oh,
$30.
yeah, but you can't book into it. It's a hard place to book
Everybody
into.
wants it.
Because your travel agents don't want to book into it.
Not laughing at me this time.
Bühne bildet für unser heutiges Programm auf See. Ich habe Glück, ich habe großes Glück, ich darf das tun, was ich möchte.
This is the Empress of Britain, this new white giant of 42,500 tons.
Whenever you're ready, Tom.
Let me lean on that.